This is one discovery that will definitely blow your mind. We are used to eating boiled eggs plain or with kachumbari. Today I will show you how to make a sauce out of boiled eggs. Make sure you watch till the end. I'm Hannah Wangoi Hencha and welcome back to my channel. You will need 5 small eggs or 3 medium-sized eggs, 1 large chopped onion, 2 chopped tomatoes, coriander leaves, a half teaspoon curry powder, salt to taste, some cold water and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Start by boiling your eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are the best for this recipe. We'll boil them for 5 to 7 minutes. We'll then keep them aside without removing them from the saucepan. This is so that they could continue cooking as we prepare our sauce. This process is very optional. In a saucepan, we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil and your onions. We could then choose to fry them glossy or golden brown. It's all up to your preference. That's simply the joy of cooking homemade food. You just do everything according to how you want it, because you're the boss in the kitchen. But that will only apply to cooking and not baking. We'll then add our chopped tomatoes and coriander. Give it a good stir and allow your tomatoes to cook till it forms a paste. Meanwhile, we'll dip our eggs in cold water for easy removal of the shells. This here is pure kienyeji, as you can see. You'll remove all the shells and then check your tomatoes. After your tomatoes are cooked, add some water. Season with salt and curry powder. At this point, we can choose to add other spices like oregano, but I like my curry sauce with just salt and curry powder. I believe that's why it's called curry sauce. As soon as our water boils, we are going to add our boiled eggs. We could use a fork or a knife to slice through the eggs. This is to allow flavor to be absorbed by the eggs as we simmer. Therefore, we'll put on the lid, reduce the heat, then allow your sauce to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Our simple boiled egg curry sauce is now ready. Thank you for watching, guys. This is a channel where we help you discover new and exciting recipes and help you unlock your creativity. Goodbye and let's meet in the next one.